Are you thinking of starting an e-commerce platform, whether in sale, and struggling to pick the perfect domain name? You want something that instantly tells people what you do and shows them you're ready for global business, right? Today, we're talking about two powerful domain names, shop.gdn and store.gdn. These domains offer you the chance to create a brand that represents your global readiness. While GDN is a common abbreviation across industries, for these domains, it can be used to stand for either Global Delivery Network or Global Distribution Network, giving your business an edge in the global market. Let's explore how you can use these domains to brand your business and reach customers worldwide. If you're running an e-commerce store, choosing shop.gdn or store.gdn helps you brand your business as globally equipped. By incorporating Global Delivery Network on your site, you're signaling that your store can handle international shipping and is ready to serve customers beyond local borders. This is ideal for businesses looking to expand their reach and increase trust with international buyers. For wholesalers, these domains are perfect for promoting your platform as part of a global distribution network. You can use the GDN abbreviation to show that your business is set up to deliver products worldwide. This helps you connect with retailers who are looking for reliable global suppliers, making your business a go-to choice for international distribution. Building a marketplace? shop.gdn and store.gdn can help you establish your platform as one that supports global trade. By branding GDN as Global Delivery or Global Distribution Network, you're showing sellers and buyers alike that your platform is designed for international transactions. This can make your marketplace more attractive to businesses that want to reach a global audience. So whether you're an e-commerce store, a wholesaler, or running a marketplace, shop.gdn and store.gdn are the domains that can help you take your business to the next level. Use the GDN abbreviation strategically on your site to promote your global reach, whether that's through delivery services or distribution networks. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building your online business. Thanks for watching.